I'm back. Turn up, cut through. Free lunch, east side niggas, man. Took my east side niggas and put them in a mansion. The feds on my dick, cause they see a nigga stacking. Can't believe I'm rapping, cause my funds ain't matching. I got birds in the kitchen, cause a nigga still trapping. Took my east side niggas and put them in a mansion. The feds on my dick, cause they see a nigga stacking. Can't believe I'm rapping, cause my funds ain't matching. I got birds in the kitchen, cause a nigga still trapping. Took my east side niggas and drove them out of states. I'm in good hands, guess I went with all state. I should be with big movers, cause I'm moving weight. And I already ate, but I got chickens on my plate. Hit that cola with the baking soda, watch it come back. Give lil' mama 13 bags, tell her bring 100 back. These little niggas get about 55 and don't know how to act. I got hitters on the east side that kill for less than that. Took my east side niggas and put them in the mansion. The feds on my dick, cause they see a nigga stacking. Can't believe I'm rapping, cause my funds ain't matching. I got birds in the kitchen, cause a nigga still trapping. Took my east side niggas and put them in the mansion. The feds on my dick, cause they see a nigga stacking. Can't believe I'm rapping, cause my funds ain't matching. I got birds in the kitchen, cause a nigga still trapping. I've been trapping off my iPhone, watching my racks. Know these niggas gon' hate if they money don't stack. See my swag, got these niggas, guess I kill them with that. Got your B-word on my D-word, cause she know I got crack. Real niggas getting money, bitch, you know where we at. Bag up 20 out for 8-ball, I'ma push this shit back. Cutthroats getting money, bitch, you know where we at. Fuck that connect, that ain't my mans, we'll meet them with straps. Took my east side niggas, then put them in the mansion. The feds on my dick, cause they see a nigga stacking. Can't believe I'm rapping, cause my funds ain't matching. I got birds in the kitchen, cause a nigga still trapping. Took my east side niggas, and put them in the mansion. The feds on my dick, cause they see a nigga stacking. Can't believe I'm rapping, cause my funds ain't matching. I got birds in the kitchen, cause a nigga still trapping. Shout out my lakeside niggas, man. Shout out Pocket Town, free Lil Lash. Shout out my nigga Nino, Big Bro. Shout out Dre, free BD man, free Nello. Free all my hitters, you bitch ass niggas. Fuck Gotti World, bitch. It wasn't easy, man. Get with it, I'm out here going dumb with these bitch ass niggas.
Let the 808 bang.
Fuck Fang, fuck Fang, fuck Fang.
Real go getters.
Right now, I'll probably still be trapping if I wasn't rapping right now. Talking about clouds and little shout, I'm relaxing right now. I'll probably still be trapping if I wasn't rapping right now.
Niggas feel this, I'm coming on some real shit. Kettle life, I'ma let you know how I lived it. I done shot niggas for fun and hit they main chick, 16-year-old and got grown niggas hating. Why? Because I make moves and hang with a lot of dudes, but keep the gun tucked, cause I don't like these guys' attitude. Look, yeah, I love war, this is what I live for. Make money, lay bodies down, shoot up the corner store. Air nigga know me, Young G in these streets, knock a nigga shit back, broad daylight in the white tee. I hop in the white Jeep, nice with some leather seats, tint the windows up, blowing troll with the AC. TV's playing, watching pay them for them weights deep. Hit my nigga up, yo, tell him meet me on State Street. Got a couple guns I want to back, and they ain't for keep. Nice doing business together, I'm Young LB.
Clouds and little shout, I'm relaxing right now. I'll probably still be trapping if I wasn't rapping right now. Talking about clouds and little shout, I'm relaxing right now. I'll probably still be trapping if I wasn't rapping right now. Bragging about clouds and little shout, I'm relaxing right now. I'll probably still be trapping if I wasn't rapping right now. Bragging about clouds and little shout, I'm relaxing right now. I'll probably still be trapping if I wasn't rapping right now.
I've been taught by the best man, he good working with his hand, whipping up them grams and sold up the whole land. Ain't no Reebok shit, it's good like my old man's 5G today, wrap that up in the rubber band. That's 35,000 a week. Know your math, man. Subtract what I paid the workers, got it back when taxes came. Block still juking like Jordan in the Bullets game. So I hit the E-way, doing 110, left lane on my way home. Yeah, dog, it's lovely where I live. Bitch scream, let the couch this shit. MTV and grinding. This bitches, I'm the reason why they watching Lifetime. Yeah, I like to look good, so I make sure my paper right. Any nigga fuck up and he know he got a short life. I'm sure he don't want that, so he bring the cash back. Wrap it up in the rubber band and flip the rest of that.
City, let these niggas know you can't come $1 a day short, nigga.
Ay, bitch, we been sliding. I don't like standing on D. Back then, you niggas was sweet. We had outstanding D. We talking D, we had more than D. I promise you won't make off this block. You let off a shot. Where I'm from, we don't talk to the cop. Fat boy came through, flipped this car. Lil G made his fat ass run back with his chop. K-Dog known for heads and shots. Big bro up, put him up top. Then go roll him up. He gone now, but it don't change the fact he fucked you up. Wherever y'all post, we fucking it up. We catch our bitch, we fucking it up. She might drop low, we sending it up. You better move, cause we dump whoever ain't with us. We the members, baby, we them cuss. We the ones chase your boyfriend out through the cuss. Stop shooting out this cop. I'm trying to get up. Every nigga gon' catch every shot at this gun. And I hope a nigga don't call my bluff. Gonna be the next one that's gon' have to duck. Next one dead, play like you tough. Shawty trade perfect, but he got dumped. Fuck, was he hot? Who had the gun? Sorry, mama, they couldn't save your son. First thing on his man, should've been run, but he was too tough. Niggas think they factors, cause I diss him in song shit. I just be having some fun. But this shit all facts, you niggas still ain't this shit. Stop missing from them naming them weak ass dicks. Me ain't nobody tryna hit that shit. Find out where they at. Hit that bitch. If you get caught, you know the script. Blow their ass down, make it back to the dip. Dump 20, still got like 8 in the stick. Still gotta make it right back to the whip. Told me find something I like doing. Shit, I like playing with blicks. They told me to change my ways, but I still like doing hits. I love the thrill, I love the sticks. Glocks and XDs, all type of bliss. See, y'all really got through with that diss. Next nigga we catch, he catching the clip. Rio known for emptying clips. If he driving, he parking the whip. Nigga, what you gon' do to me? Who is he? By the time I yelled it out, Lil Raw already squeezed, and we ain't picking with B. Won't nobody be able to park on the strip, bitch. Like we cleaning the street. Turn that shit off, that shit so weak. You know when it's up, it's stuck. When you see me, nigga, 9 times out of 10, better duck. 9 times out of 10, when you see me, nigga, I been already up. You know I be spark, I be with the shot as you be with the target. Nigga, what's up? I don't know about you, but my gun bust. Half you goofies got shot with your gun, I know we pissed. Fuck them though, that's an old body still rolling them up. Probably thought I was talking about them with that last bar. Same shit happened to them. Man, that pussy just call him some luck. I don't want their head, I want them dead, left in the dust. Let's talk about back then, hopping out cuss. Let's talk about back then, all walk up. They know it's facts, niggas get on, they think they tough. This ain't a diss, I'm just letting it be clear. We really been fucking them up. Roll this bitch ass up till he down to the duck. Put him out, want him right back up. Smoke so hard, can't even finish the blunt. Wish we killed that bitch, these Drakes gon' hit him. They thought he got hit by a truck. I be with the vest, you be with the scrubs. Niggas that was blowing y'all down, waiting for you got you a buzz. We gon' knock everybody down if they think they blitzing us. I don't care if it's high, big bro got the wheel, I ain't worried about the law. Be on them court ways and on them cars, we really hit heads around the clock. I wish we killed that bitch, Lil R, why you say that? Cause I feel like he ain't catching enough shots. Pussy. I ain't that nigga that's gon' let you come in here and do what you want. Do what you want, nigga. Do what you want, nigga. Cause you gon' get your ass shot, beat up, hoe, a stone. Step on they neck and pull off the Dr. ain't go. That's my brother, Lil Fetty. He said that coke straight ether, but that dog bring that roll. Straight ether, but that dog bring that roll, nigga. Focus on money, I gotta go get trust. That means some bread feels just like a pigeon. And niggas be talking that shit, but ain't with them till I pull out the 50 and go ahead and split them. I came and I did it for real. These niggas be talking and popping these pills. These bitches be setting you up and these niggas be trying to get you. This shit is for real. Fake niggas on my back, they some leeches. Bitch, I been up and been down, I ain't greedy. Fake niggas on my back, they some leeches. Bitch, I been up and been down, I ain't greedy. Jay gave me the pack and he told me to go. On the block on my strap, it's a Glock, I'm on go. They looking at me like who the fuck this nigga is, they don't even know. Shout out to Rocco, cause you don't even know. Yeah, stuck in the trenches trying to keep me from pouring a 4 in my cup. This little perk gon' keep me up. All that stand gon' get you bucked. You got me fucked up. 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 Stuck in the trenches trying to keep me from pouring a 4 in my cup. This little perk gon' keep me up. All that stand gon' get you bucked. You got me fucked up. 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 Laying in the bushes was a hobby. Couldn't get caught by the feds. I had my weed in my strap and my body was full of meds. Niggas be talking all that shit until they end up on a step. I got niggas that's gon' hit that nigga up. He don't need no help. Ayy. That nigga need life alert, cause he gon' be the one laying on that ground talking about his body hurt. And I'm gon' be the one pulling off in that whip and now you gon' hit his skirt. cause that's the type of shit that get you pop. Brains on the curb. People be too slimy, they too slimy. I can't hang with snails. I just keep my kids at 23. This bitch treat me well. Now you looking at me like he hard. Bitch, don't ride my well. Come to the real soul, gon' meet the Lord. We gon' get you out of here. Rasta, 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 Rasta. This my fucking anthem. Rasta, Rasta, yeah, Rasta, Rasta, yeah, Rasta, Rasta, yeah, this my fucking anthem. Yeah, yeah,
Yeah. Let's go, let's go. Turn up, turn up. Go dumb on these bitch ass niggas. Smoking dope, I'm so doped up. With a bad hoe, she just pulled up. Don't mind us, just roll up. Think the laws blurred, but so hold up. We in it though, spin it though, she an info. Shorty gon' go, got the team with me, so we win it ho, win it ho. Smoking dope, I'm so doped up. With a bad hoe, she just pulled up. Don't mind us, just roll up. Think the laws blurred, but so hold up. We in it though, spin it though, she an info. Shorty gon' go, got the team with me, so we win it ho, win it ho. My team, lining niggas up like corduroys. Bad hoe, just wanna slide on knives. Damn, that's a lot of doors. My team winning, fuck yours. We taking L's, just can't afford. These fuck niggas, they losing high. These fuck boys, just making noise. My team, we killing noise. This shot right, this drilling noise. What young niggas can't big toys. They slaying shit, they killing boys. Toe tagging shit, real hitters boy. Got a bitch popping her ass off, let the whole macking her lips up. Just to get the shit capped off. Up hoes getting that both sides. She could get her shit whacked off. Big Mac bust with no Mac sauce. Red dot a nigga like Rudolph. Lip gloss niggas get smacked off. Just for thinking shit Gucci. These niggas swear they finessing. Just cause they rock true ways. Big long clips like a movie. A pussy wet jacuzzi. We smoking niggas like Pookie. Big long clips like a movie. A pussy wet jacuzzi. And we smoking dope like Pookie. Pray to God this moment don't bury him in fake Gucci. Pray to God this moment don't bury him in fake Louis. Pray to God this moment don't bury him in fake true ways. Cause we smoking niggas, doobies. Smoking dope, I'm so doped up. With a bad hoe, she just pulled up. Don't mind us, just roll up. Think the laws blurred, so hold up. We in it though, spin it though, she an info. Shorty gon' go, got the team with me, so we win it ho, win it ho. Smoking dope, I'm so doped up. With a bad hoe, she just pulled up. Don't mind us, just roll up. Think the laws blurred, so hold up. We in it though, spin it though, she an info. Shorty gon' go, got the team with me, so we win it ho, win it ho. Coolin' chillin' on the hot block with an op hoe, yeah, op top. These fuck niggas don't smoke dope, she fuck around with a hot shot. All my shots, top notch, fuck around with killer. Now I'm smoking no killer, out here and it off hitters. Got a bad hoe, good throat, we smoke dope, rock like boats. Respect me like the G code, only thing matter is the scene knows. We cop bricks from amigos, 100 shots shooting for the cops, they roll up. That's 100 shots out here lurking that go to ops. Drum roll, non-stop, I'm cut through. We take blocks, you better find out who pop rock. Get caught lacking, you get popped. Gotti block, my young niggas got a lot of ops. I'm out here with a lot of thoughts, so much money on Fed watch. Gotta know I'm with it. Lame niggas, they snooze much. Good that big banger. These fucking niggas, they change up. Hoe wanna give me top. Tell her I don't wanna fuck, get money, fuck another hoe up. These lame niggas, they hold up. L's, E's, KTS, we the best.
I pull up in the drop top, let the top drop. Got the 9 Glock, pull it out the stash spot. Gotta keep my bang on me, fuck what my man's got. Rap for myself while the wall got my damn back. AK in his face like, nigga, take that. Bring it back, chopper, lay it down like Iraq. Bin Laden ass nigga, yeah, might was call me that. Lost my act to the game, act like I ain't noticed that. Grab the strap, when it finish off where they started at. Goofy ass niggas ain't shit but some copycats. Fallen ass niggas always running where the leader at. To the 40s and they dumb ass what Jesus at. The ones I ain't get, tell them hell is where they leave me at. Dressed the same with my Jordans on in the fitted hat. And hell no, I ain't scared like Bone Crusher. Got something on my hip bigger than Bone Crusher. You gon' buster, once the chrome toucher. This hill these stains like ketchup and mustard. Let's shoot it out, catch him snooze and stump him out. Leave his ass on the curve leaking with a bloody mouth. Bullet so big, Doc like we can't pull it out. Got my Chevy sitting up stupid like I'm down south.
And it's the motherfucking Midwest, man. Lil less. Chicago Menace. He on 69th every motherfucking day, man.
Glock, intro, super.
Damn, J-Bird, merch, that's you.
Hey J-Bird, I'm finna rip this shit. This the intro, I'm finna go mental, I want them to feel this shit. See all that cap you put in your rap, see I gotta live this shit. Got booked with a pipe and came back home, I had to rebuild this shit. Man, I run out of time, I'm losing my mind, my homie got killed this shit. And it make me wanna kill some shit, but I know I gotta chill and shit. Tryna run up a meal and shit for the days that we was in the field with shit. And I'm standing whatever the gang on, if you tweaking with us, get a headstone. Ain't no big guys in my hood, ain't no nigga make sure I was good. All I had was my brothers, we stuck with each other. Young nigga rape by his mother. All my niggas know shoot to kill. I don't even know who is real. He got me confused for real, so I'm ready to shoot for real. If you want beat with the pocket, that's suicide. My niggas still on that block, it was crucified. You cannot come on that block, you ain't certified. My niggas killing that shit like it's pesticide. And we be stretching that shit like it's exercise. You'll get killed if you testify. My niggas slide, you better hide. My niggas killing, so stay inside. Intro, damn, I can't believe this shit. Big ain't gone, that shit to my soul, I swear we felt that shit. All the ops know, we don't back door, we gon' front door some shit. Lil Don got the pole, he like Jimmy Neutron, ain't ready to blast that bitch. Roll a dope in the funnel, it's so good, I ain't ready to pass my shit. Call Dizzle Mario, he like a week, so you know we smash that bitch. I ain't even had to ask that bitch. The ops be tweaking, treat like a hoe, put his ass on his back and shit. When Foden was sliding, I was in the truck trying to figure out how many packs I flip. But yeah, them facts and shit. When Kato got the Glock, he like a dollar the way he be patching shit. And the hook ain't be lurking, they like some slay hoes the way they be catching shit. He on pole with stretch cause he ain't blow. Stand over a nigga like I'm Debo. Gave his ass 15 like I'm Rio. Close range, so he shot from the free throw. Cut throw, shit a nigga in the peephole. For the game, they got booked from them, you knows. Got her looking at the op like who told. Stay third, tryna hit us with the Rico. Fuck 12, ain't fuck with the people. Glock came with a switch, that's a cheat code. Draco put a nigga in a chokehold. All the tips leave a nigga with a blue nose. She a op, then I'm spinning on that bitch. But first she gotta do what I say so. He a op, then I'm flipping his whip. No insurance, should've rolled with the general. See a lick, then I'm taking that risk. Cause I remember when I ain't had shit though. See you flexing, then we taking your shit. Little nigga don't get caught in that kick though. Better give us what we want in this bitch. You only got one time before you get smoked. Black. KTS in this bitch, man. Now we coming, man. Twin Glock in this bitch, man. From the pocket, run them pockets, bitch. Black.
07 Trey shit. All back.
Lil Benny, where you at? Come and hop up on the
I'm
beat.
hearing through the grapevine and some static. Kobe got clapped on that bus stop, he ain't have it. Out here lacking, so he got it. Niggas did all that clicking. Yogi got smoked, y'all ain't mind y'all fucking business. Playing with them cutthroat killers. Riding through the city. These woods I'm smoking, they blowing like Timmy's. I'm toting this 50 been up college, do a nigga like Diddy. We paint bitches clear, them bitches be perfect. Please don't lock her, your members gon' be attending funeral services. I'm from the pocket, we made niggas nervous. Fuck all the ops, we got in the shots and that is for certain. 40 shells left his body jerking. I know Bond still playing with them bacons. I hit they block and give all hell, like my name is Satan. Keep dissing on Vine like niggas ain't getting left under them pavements. We don't play it safe, all we know is to be dangerous. Don't get caught, don't be out here dangling. Phone number, slide through your hood and check something, rearrange shit. We over East Records gangin'. Big B's, bitch, I never change shit.
Moochie got pop, who did that? Fat Smack got pop, who did that? Licky got pop, who did that? I keep going, so I'm on that. Catch Google and I ain't no chit chat. That 40 gon' put shit back. Call tank in the county and want that. Drill City straight bitches, I know that. Bail out first, nigga gon' get that. 800, let's do it, no chit chat. Got the world, they tell no want that. ABK, y'all know y'all want that. GME, they sweet, they know that. East Spot gon' smoke, we gay that. Sir Khan, y'all bitch, y'all know that. Shoot nigga, drop clips, I did that. Lil' dog make guns go black. That's why they call me no chit chat. Smooth bustin' up flats, but you own that. Two Dracos, why they own that? That dark skin boy, he did that. They still ain't sitting no shots back. Fuck Evans, my bitch, I'm on that. Claiming cut though, body, I ain't do that. Brain dead, y'all say y'all pop me. My shots going off like Rocky. Them little ass shells can't stop me. I'm Eastside, but they knew that. You like a rice cracker, don't do that. JR come home, we off that. Since Max got smoked, they don't want that. Fuck Magic, yeah, I'm on that. K-Dog wanna slide, we on that. PD, where you at, we on that. Glizzy, where you at, we on that. Gang, we on that. Shoot him in the shit, I'm on that. Scream that fire, I'm on that. Scream that fire, I'm on that. Scream that fire, I'm on that. Gang.
You know how the fuck we coming, man. Get it done, gang, man. Long live free my smokers, man. Yeah, back down, no chit chat.
Yeah, it's cutthroat. I'm going down. I ain't got no love for no ops. Off back. I ain't got love for no op, nigga. Gun cock, pistol pop, bitch, we drop niggas. I don't got love for no thought, nigga. Give me top, I might kill her, she's a op, nigga. I don't got love for no op, nigga. Gun cock, pistol pop, bitch, we drop niggas. I don't got love for no thought, nigga. Give me top, I might kill her, she's a op, nigga. I don't got love for no fuck niggas. In the foreign with a foreign, she a gold digger. Give me top, no bottom, I'm a top nigga. If I catch him while he lacking, then I gotta hit him. Pillow talking ass nigga, stop the sneak dissing. Set tripping, tech kicking, now he on the trip. Pillow talking ass nigga, stop the sneak dissing. Set tripping, tech kicking, now he on the trip. My thotties get off mollies when they doing dicks. Niggas going gaudy when I go on hits. You better keep it verbal, you ain't with the shits. Cut those paper keeps, bitch, we taking shit. I don't got love for no op, nigga. Since I lost love, Paris, it's been fuck niggas. These hoes op loving, I don't fucks with them. My niggas KTS, I know you fuck with them. I don't got love for no op, nigga. Since I lost love, Paris, it's been fuck niggas. These hoes out loving, I don't fucks with them. My niggas KTS, I know you fucks with them. I ain't got love for no op, nigga. Gun cock, pistol pop, bitch, we drop niggas. I don't got love for no thought, nigga. Give me top, I might kill her, she's a op, nigga. I don't got love for no op, nigga. Gun cock, pistols pop, bitch, we drop niggas. I don't got love for no thought, nigga. Give me top, I might kill her, she's a op, nigga. These niggas on papers, they don't want to smoke. My hitters out here in it, all they smoke is dope. Foreign bitch coolin', I'm all in the throat. Huh? Cutthroat all I know, cutthroat all she know. Yeah, I'm from the go, but I can't never go. My OG raised the killer, she ain't raised a hoe. Mac 90 for the oppers, gotta let it blow. KTO, killer ops, bitch, that's all we know. My youngins out here killing for that 15. Body bagging, give a nigga 16. Nickel shells, 30 bopper with that red beam. Make him famous like Marty, that's a crime scene. Yeah, it's cutthroat, going dumb on these bitch ass niggas. Shouts out Killer Boy, shouts out Big Nino, shouts out Nino, shouts out Dre, shouts out Lakeside, fuck 2T, bitch ass niggas. Fuck Gotti Web, fuck all the outs, man.
Hey, this a fucking Eastside movement, man. Get with it or get ran over real quick. Check us out on YouTube. Easy Nino, man. We're going stupid done.